Peace and love to everybody. For today's ride, we're going to join the Lords of Gastown on their first annual Halloween poker run. Begin at Barnes HD in Langley, to Duke's Pub in Chilliwack, to Mazatlan Restaurant in Aldergrove, then back to Barnes. This year's poker run is hosted by and begins at Barnes Harley-Davidson. First thing we do is register. This event offered 2 registration tables, also offered pre-registration. After registration, you can get your t-shirts and other souvenirs and apparel, and visit the other vendor booths. Off to our first stop, Duke's Pub in Chilliwack. Beautiful scenery on a beautiful day. Speaking of beautiful, Dancing, even though she's dressed up to be scary, is still beautiful. Since we were allowed to choose our own route to get to Duke's Pub, we decided to get off the highway and take the scenic route through the farmland. Arriving at Duke's Pub in Chilliwack. Draw another card for your poker run. Mazatlan restaurant in Aldergrove. This was the second stop on the poker run. After this, we were to go back to Barnes Harley-Davidson, where we would draw our final card. Also have our 50-50 draws, our raffles, the votes for best costumes, the vendors, the after party. But due to unforeseen circumstances, we were unable to go back to Barnes, so we finished off right here. That's my Lords of Gastown poker run video. Hope you enjoyed it. Join me for all my adventures on my YouTube channel, RSamson. See you later, everybody.